How to plant flower Aralia at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Araria plants or Aralia or Myagos bush known as Osmoxylolea is a flowering plant in the form of woody shrubs. Araria bung plants have yellow leaves with green accents or spots in the middle. Araria plants have long leaves and many so that the plant is similar to wild bush plants. Because of the unique color of the leaves, this Araria plant is widely grown as an ornamental plant. Araria plant is able to adapt well to the planting environment. So you do not have to worry if you want to plant this flower. Here's how to plant flower Araria at home for ornamental plants for beginners more. 1. How to Araria flowers nursery. Araria seedling can be done through stem cuttings. Select the right-sized rods. Cut the stem of the stem and then the seeds can be directly plugged in direct growing media. But if you want to plant the next day, should put in a humid place so as not to wither. 2. How to plant Araria flower. First, prepare media planting. The planting medium can be soil and manure / compost with a ratio of 1:1 which is evenly mixed. Then plant Araria seeds on planting medium. Try planting as deep as 5 cm so that plants have strong roots. After that, do watering with water so the plants do not wither. 3. How to care for Araria flowers. The treatment is quite simple, like regular watering when the plants look dry. Provide manure or compost after the plant grows well. Provision of fertilizer is done for once a month. So we are discussing about how to plant flower Araria at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.